Good morning. The other day I had a discussion with you about how 34 is not applicable if the evidences are not sufficient to link the accused, co-accused to sharing common intention with the accused. Here at another case, very important case for defense lawyers because a lot of things have been discussed here. How the Supreme Court disbelieved the eyewitness, number one. Number two, why CCTV cameras evidence has to be rejected. Number three, how the in furtherance of common object was not shared with evidence, failed to establish those facts. Then this is what the case and not properly explaining the vehicle number and so many things. Kindly, this is most important judgment AR 2023 Supreme Court 5054. AR 2023 Supreme Court 5054. Naresh Alice Nehru, State of Haryana. So it is far better to understand the history of the case. On 22/4/2016, ASI received information that somebody has fired a gunshot. So there were then thereafter they have recorded the evidence of witnesses. They say that three motor vehicles chased the deceased Ajay, and one of the person, Billion Rider, shot him with country-made pistol. There was enmity. Initially 307 was registered, and thereafter 302 conviction, and the High Court also affirmed the sentence. Here the ratio of this case is most important. You go through the entirety of judgment to deeply understand how these ratios were discussed. Number one, they say the person who accompanied the victim was not examined by the police. Then second thing, the testimony of star witnesses. Initially, he speaks about two accused and later on implicate multi-number of accused, not properly giving numbers and inconsistent statement. Therefore, his identification several persons in the morgue and much more contradictions of his statement. Testimony of star witnesses unreliable, they say. Then question arises. Confession before the police officer is not admissible, that is everybody knows. Then question arises CCTV. Source of CCTV footage as well as its creation raised substantial doubts about presence of accused at crime scene. Witness also claimed to have recorded CCTV page, failed to provide clear and consistent account of how he obtained video, transferring it from his mobile phone to CD, and the CD was not sent to forensics laboratory. Then the certificate 65B was prepared by unidentified police official. Then no laptop or mobile phone was seized. So this is the location of CCTV was inside the house, and that house owner was not examined. Then 149, they say the evidence is not sufficient that all the accused have shared a common object to kill the accused. So these all are the case the ratios the Honorable Supreme Court acquitted the appellant, Naresh Alice Nehru. I think you understand. Go through the entirety of judgment, and it will be best use for your career. Best wishes.